All right, today I'm going to be assembling my Bowflex SelecTech stand and the weights. Start lifting just so I can open the box. So they got everything monstrously zip tied together, so that's cool. So you don't have to worry about this thing falling out of the box. We definitely got some nice heavy-duty frame. This looks like we got some simple instructions, 3 different languages. So it's kind of nice that you can just take what you need. That is a heavy-duty plate. Okay, so we got our hardware. We got bumpers. Oh, that's nice. I like this nice layout of hardware. Everything is already organized the way you need it. See on here, this is a 552, so these bumpers are for the 552 weights, and this is for the 1090. So depending on which weights you got, use the right bumpers. I'm using the 552, so this is going to drop in like this. Then I'll screw it in on the bottom with E. They got this triangular screwdriver, kind of neat. And do the same thing on the other side. And the last 2 for the other plate. It's labeled right. And these are going to go on the side. So I need A and B to attach these. Got our Allen right here. Okay, and do the same thing, A and B, to attach these feet. We want to make sure, because this has got a hole in it, the hole has to go to the bottom. These are leveling feet, so there's a nut on here. So if I wanted to, I could take these, drop them down a little bit so that I can make sure that this thing is perfectly level. But I'm just gonna set it maxed out for right now. So next up, throw these guys on. Okay, so it goes like this. Because these holes have to be on the inside. So here we're gonna use D, B, and C. And we're going to need this wrench. So this bolt is going to come in from the outside, and it's going to go through here, through the arm, out the other side, and then put a nut on. And then have washers on both sides. A washer and a nut. And these are nylon lock nuts, so you will have to push through that nylon. Okay. It's actually got like a soft pad on the back. And for this we're using G, H, and I, which is good because that's all we got left. Squeeze this together a little bit to fit that in, but that's all right. So now I'm going to use the smaller Allen, and I'm going to use the other end of this wrench. And these are also nylon lock nuts, so they won't be going anywhere. All I've got left, they actually had a couple of spare pieces in here. And I really like seeing that because I'm always dropping things, and just having those extras is it can really come in handy. And then they've got this, which is for, it says it's for the 560. So you would take the bumpers off of the bottom of the 560 plate, attach this right here, and then the 560 bottom plate would sit on top of that. I'm using a 552, so that doesn't matter. And then we got these Velcro straps, which will help lock those plates on. Some people are against that, but I mean, I think it's a perfectly acceptable way of locking them on. Okay, so it actually has instructions for unpacking. So it says we lay it down on its side, and then we pull the top dumbbell off. Okay, that wasn't too bad. And here we got more straps like this. All I'm doing to separate these is if I just flip it upside down, then I can peel it off. Okay, that's not too bad. So each dumbbell had its own Allen wrench. It looks like the bottom, there's a little notch right here. So I'm just lining this up with this. And that Allen will undo this strap. Now, I'm not going to be using this again, I'm just going to cut it. There we go. And then this strap, feet underneath. So the strap has snaps, but the snaps don't fit through the slot. So I have to undo this. Feeding the strap through, snap together. I'll feed this through. And clip it together. Alright. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So these snaps need to pass through, and the snaps don't pass through that slot that's on here. So what I'm doing is I just undid this strap. Like that. Then I can pass this cloth through that slot, snap it together on the other side, and then refeed it through this clip. Cool. All right, I like it.